My friends, today we are at a decisive moment in our lives. Not a moment defined by comfort, but by challenge. Not a moment of ease, but a moment that calls us to rise. Every generation is faced with a question. And that question is simple yet demanding. Will you remain as you are? Or will you rebuild yourself into what you are meant to become? Rebuilding yourself does not mean erasing your past. It means reshaping your future. It means standing firm when life has knocked you down and declaring, "I will rise again, stronger and wiser than before." Before the world believes in you, you must believe in yourself. You are somebody. You have worth. You have dignity. No failure, no insult, no hardship can take that away unless you surrender it yourself. When you lose belief in your own value, you hand over your power. But when you stand tall in self-respect, you reclaim your destiny. Walk with dignity, even when the road is rough. For dignity is the foundation upon which all greatness is built. Failure is not the end of the journey. It is often the beginning of wisdom. Every great movement, every great leader, every great soul has stumbled before standing tall. Do not allow your mistakes to bury you. Let them teach you. Let them strengthen you. Rise again, not in anger, not in bitterness, but in courage and clarity. Falling does not define you. Refusing to rise does. Rebuilding yourself requires discipline. Dreams without discipline remain wishes. Discipline trains the mind, strengthens the character, and anchors the soul. Moral strength is the backbone of discipline. When you choose what is right over what is easy, you build an unshakable foundation. A person with moral courage can stand against storms that would shake entire mountains. Fear is a silent prison. It whispers lies, telling you that you are not enough, not ready, not capable. But fear cannot survive where courage is practiced daily. Do not wait for fear to disappear. Walk forward despite it. Strength is not the absence of fear, it is the decision to move forward anyway. Each step taken in courage weakens fear's grip on your soul. Faith gives us vision when the road ahead is dark. Hope gives us light when the night feels endless. Perseverance keeps us moving when the journey feels too long. Hold on. Keep walking. Even when progress is slow, movement matters. The darkest hour often comes just before the dawn. Pain can either break you or build you. The difference lies in what you do with it. When pain is guided by purpose, it becomes power. Let your struggles give birth to strength. Let your wounds create wisdom. Let your suffering serve as fuel, not chains. From pain can rise purpose, and from purpose, transformation. The task before us is clear. Rebuild yourself, mind, body, and spirit. Do not wait for permission. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Take responsibility for your growth. Stand up today and say, "I will not surrender my future to fear, failure, or doubt.